If your Amazon product is not selling how you want it to, before you discontinue the product, what you want to do is check a few boxes. Number one, did you do a proper launch? Are you sending enough traffic to your listing in order for it to rank so it can actually get sales? Number two, is your listing actually optimized? Do you have good quality photos? Are you optimizing your description and your bullet points? Is your price too high? Do you have enough reviews, right? Next, you want to see, have you actually utilized influencer marketing and PPC and these different strategies for maintaining sales and exposure? If the answer to these are no, then that's probably why you're not getting any sales. So many people say my product's dead, I picked a bad product, but when I review their product and the strategy that they had when they were launching their product, they were missing components. They didn't have enough reviews, the price was too high, the listing sucked, or they just didn't do an appropriate launch. So make sure that you did everything that you can. And now, if your product is amazing, your price is on point, your listing is optimized, you did a launch, you're putting money into PPC, and you're just not getting clicks, you're not getting sales, or you ranked and you're not getting the amount of sales or generating the amount of revenue that you need to pursue this product, now it's time to liquidate this product. So what you want to do is create an Amazon removal order, because what's going to happen is if your product doesn't sell, there's two options. Amazon will destroy it and actually charge you to do so, or you can create a removal order. Now, the good thing on the removal order is you do get discounted shipping rates. So even though you have to pay for shipping, it's a discounted shipping rate because you're going through Amazon. But once you do that, you want to identify different ways that you can liquidate this product. Depending on the product category and subcategory of the product and what it is that you have, how big it is, so on and so forth, you can try a few different things like Etsy, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace. That's a few different ways that you can start liquidating this product. Another thing that you can do is reach out to local businesses if your product applies to something that they may be selling or some type of service that they offer. But at that point, you want to do anything and everything that you can to liquidate the product to recoup your investment. Now, in another video, we talk about MOQ, which is minimum order quantity. And this is why I start to explain the importance of the micro launch and not ordering thousands of units for your first order, because you want to make sure that this product is going to work and it's going to get you the results that you want. So when you're getting ready to launch this product, make sure that you do not over order, because prior to launching, you're doing verification. Once you launch, you're doing validation, right? Once you pre-verify the product, you want to launch it and actually validate that it is a winning product. You don't want to get stuck with thousands of units that you can't get rid of. So following these tips and strategies, this will help you make sure that you don't over order. And if something happens and the product is not a winner, that you can liquidate it quickly and minimize your loss. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100+ videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.